What's up guys, my name is Nathan from tattooing101.com and this is a question I get all the time from a lot of new beginner artists, and my answer is always the same. The reality is, if someone allows you to tattoo their skin when you haven't figured out the fundamentals yet and you're still kind of working on your technique, then they're actually doing you a favor as opposed to you kind of doing them a favor. What I'd recommend is changing the mindset of how can I make the most money straight away into how can I tattoo as frequently as possible to rapidly improve my skill set. Because once you get good at tattooing and you've got a following and you're established, the money comes pretty easily. But if you try and make a lot of money really quickly in the beginning, then you might make an extra few bucks and you'll win in the short term. But all of the friends and family that you're tattooing, because you're charging more money, they're going to be able to get less tattoos from you, and their standards are going to be a lot higher. Which means you're going to be able to tattoo less, which means you'll improve slower. So in the long run, you'll actually be losing. When you are just starting out, I always recommend tattooing if you can't tattoo for free, tattoo as cheaply as possible, or just enough to cover your supplies so that you can do as much volume as you can. What you want to do is frequency. When I first started tattooing, one of the biggest challenges that I had was I wasn't tattooing very frequently. I tattoo once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks when a walk-in came in the shop or something like that, and it really slowed my progression down. So yeah, focus more on tattooing as frequently as possible, whether that's on fake skin if you're really new, or if you're ready to tattoo clients, tattoo as often as you can. And don't worry about the money, because once you improve and once you get the skill set, the money will come and it'll be a lot easier in the long run. So I hope that helps, guys. If you've got any questions about tattooing or anything that you're kind of stuck on, or something you want me to make a video on, pop them down in the comment section below and I'll be happy to help you guys out. Take it easy and I'll see you in the next video.